Tired of marketing that feels like shouting into the void? In the logistics industry, we know the struggle is real. Competition is relentless. Margins are razor thin, and finding the right clients feels like finding a needle in a haystack the size of Texas. Your business keeps America moving. It's time your marketing did the same. We're Compare the Carrier Digital Agency, and we specialize in helping logistics companies like yours thrive in today's competitive market. We understand the unique challenges you face, and we have a proven framework for overcoming them. We've helped countless logistics businesses increase their visibility, attract high-value clients, and achieve remarkable results.
Workshop, Crafting a Winning Logistics Marketing Plan in 2024.
Well, I'm Ann here, and in this workshop, we're going to give you the tools and strategies you need to create a marketing plan that actually works for your logistics business. We'll cover everything from identifying your ideal clients to choosing the most effective marketing channels to reach them. By the end of this workshop, you'll have a clear roadmap to attract more high-quality leads and grow your business.
Workshop, Crafting a Winning Logistics Marketing Plan in 2024. Define your target audience.
The first step is to clearly define your target audience. Who are the businesses that need your services most? Are they manufacturers who need reliable shipping to meet production deadlines, retailers who need efficient inventory management, or e-commerce businesses who need fast and affordable delivery options? Understanding your target audience is crucial. It allows you to tailor your marketing message to their specific needs and pain points, making your services more appealing and relevant.
Craft your messaging.
What makes your logistics company different? What unique value do you bring to the table? Maybe you offer white glove service for high-value freight, ensuring peace of mind for your client's most important shipment. Or perhaps you solve critical problems for your clients, like streamlining their supply chains, reducing shipping costs, or improving delivery times. Crafting a compelling message that resonates with your target audience is essential for cutting through the noise. It's about clearly articulating the benefits you provide and the results your clients can expect. When your message is clear and resonates with your ideal client, you'll attract more of the right kind of business and build a reputation for excellence.
Choose your channels.
So now that you know your audience and your message, it's time to choose the right channels to reach them. LinkedIn is a powerful platform for B2B networking, connecting with decision makers in your target industry. Get featured in relevant trade magazines and websites to showcase your expertise and reach a wider audience. Face-to-face interactions at industry events can build valuable relationships and generate leads. Targeted email campaigns can nurture leads and keep your company top of mind. Optimize your website for search engines to attract organic traffic from potential clients. Engage with your audience on platforms like Twitter and Facebook to build brand awareness and share valuable content. Invest in targeted ads to reach a larger audience, drive traffic to your website, and generate high-quality leads. The best marketing channels for your business will depend on your specific goals and target audience. Experiment to find what works best for you, and don't be afraid to try new things.
Create a content calendar.
Consistency is key in marketing. A content calendar helps you plan and organize your marketing activities to ensure a steady stream of valuable content for your audience. Map out your marketing activities in advance, assigning deadlines and responsible parties. This will help you stay on track and avoid last-minute scrambles. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly publishing high-quality content will keep your audience engaged and your brand top of mind. But don't stop at just tracking your results. Take the time to analyze your performance across different channels to determine what's resonating with your audience and driving the most valuable leads. By understanding which strategies are most effective, you can refine your content calendar for maximum impact. Your calendar should include a mix of blog posts, social media updates, email campaigns, and other relevant content. Schedule them in advance to ensure consistent flow and avoid last-minute scrambling. when creating great content is only half the battle. Make sure to allocate time to promote your content across your chosen channels to maximize its reach and impact.
Measure, optimize.
Marketing without measurement is like driving blindfolded. You need to track your results to see what's working and what's not. Measure everything that matters. Which blog posts are getting the most views? Which social media channels are driving the most traffic? Which email campaigns are generating the most leads? Don't be afraid to experiment and make adjustments based on what the data tells you. Double down on tactics that are working, and don't hesitate to pivot away from those that aren't delivering results. Utilize analytics tools and marketing dashboards to gain insights into your audience's behavior and preferences. This data will empower you to make informed decisions and optimize your marketing efforts for maximum impact.
Q&A would compare the carrier digital agency experts.
Let's tackle some of the most common questions we hear from logistics companies about marketing.
One question we often get is, how much should I budget for marketing? There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but we generally recommend allocating around 7-8% of your annual revenue to marketing efforts. However, a recent study found that top-performing logistics companies invest closer to 15%. It's important to think strategically about where to invest those dollars. Focus on the channels that will give you the biggest bang for your buck.
Exactly. It's crucial to align your budget with your growth goals. For example, if you're aiming for a 10 increase in market share, you'll likely need to invest more in marketing than a company that's simply trying to maintain its current position.
Now, let's talk channels. Marketing is king in logistics, with 82% of companies reporting positive ROI from their content efforts. Social media is also a powerful tool, as it's where 61 million senior-level influencers and 40 million decision makers congregate.
And don't underestimate the power of in-person connections at industry events. Trade shows can be highly effective for lead generation, with 77% of executive decision makers finding at least one new supplier at the last show they attended.
Measuring ROI is essential. Start by tracking key metrics like website traffic, lead conversion rates, and customer acquisition costs. Use tools like Google Analytics and CRM software to gather data and gain insights into your marketing performance.
Remember, ROI isn't just about immediate sales. Look at long-term metrics like customer lifetime value and brand awareness to get a complete picture of your marketing impact.
As for trends, we're seeing a growing emphasis on personalization, video content, and sustainability in logistics marketing. Customers want tailored solutions and engaging visuals, and they increasingly value companies that prioritize environmental responsibility.
Do you have any other questions for us? Leave them in the comments below and we'll do our best to answer them. Ready to transform your logistics marketing? Don't let another day go by with missed opportunities.
We're here to help you navigate the complexities of the logistics marketing landscape and achieve the results you deserve.
Download our free logistics marketing plan template from our blog and take the first step towards a more effective marketing strategy. Or if you're ready for personalized guidance, schedule a consultation with our team of experts at Compare the Carrier Digital Agency.
We'll work with you to develop a customized marketing plan that aligns with your specific goals and budget.
Join the countless logistics companies who have transformed their marketing with Compare the Carrier. Thank you for joining us for this workshop on mastering logistics marketing. Remember, the right strategy can transform your business, and we're here to help you every step of the way.
Don't forget to download your free marketing plan template and schedule a consultation if you'd like personalized support. We look forward to seeing your logistics company thrive.
Subscribe to our channel for more expert insights and advice on growing your logistics business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.